All right, we seem to have a problem with the connection there, but now the Supreme Court today heard the pleas by Trinamool Congress leaders alleging procedural irregularities in the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in West Bengal. While hearing the matter, a bench comprising Chief Justice Suryakant, Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice Joymala Bagchi passed a slew of directions. The names of persons in the logical discrepancy list may be displayed in Gram Panchayat Bhavan and block office of every taluka and as well as ward office. Persons likely to be affected be permitted to submit their documents and objections through their authorized representatives. Such authorized representatives can be a BLA. There shall be an authority letter in favor of the authorized representative where signed or thumb mark. The Election Commissioner shall issue instructions for providing additional documents and objections if the date is expired. State is directed to ensure adequate manpower to the State Election Commission and ECI for deployment at Panchayat Bhavan and block offices to accord hearing. We direct every collector of the district to meticulously follow such orders. The state shall ensure there shall be proper law and order arrangements. Let objections be filed within 10 days of displaying the list. Let the documents, etc. be submitted in the extended period. It goes without saying that wherever the documents submitted by documents are not satisfactory, such persons shall be provided the opportunity of hearing. All the affected persons, in addition to opportunity of hearing, may also be heard at that very time in person or through authorized representatives. I have Sambhav Sharma joining me. Sambhav, what more can you tell us?
Well, it was a detailed hearing in the Supreme Court. The Bengal SIR case, which the top court has said will hear the case on 19th, and today Supreme Court has heard the case in detail. The three-judge bench of the Supreme Court heard this case, and the important points raised by the top court. The top court said that West Bengal government has the duty to ensure law and order during this SIR exercise in the state of West Bengal. And also the top court has directed the state to provide adequate staff and support to the Election Commission of India for smooth conduct of the SIR. And here senior advocate Kapil Sibal has pointed that only 300 hearing venues were approved against a requirement of 1900. So there is a logical discrepancies to exclude voters. And but here the court has directed that the publication of the names with the discrepancies at panchayat and ward levels, and also has allowed a document submission through authorized representatives with receipt acknowledgements by the Election Commission of India. So a long discussion made, submissions made in the Supreme Court, both by the Election Commission of India, where senior advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, who appeared for the ECI, has made many things clear to the Supreme Court when many questions were posed by the bench and also by the opposing counsels. And one important aspect raised by Justice Jamal Bakshi to one of the questions raised by lawyers here, Justice Jamal Bakshi's question, treating a 15-year-old gap between parent and child as a discrepancy, and also noted that child marriages, is there no case of child marriage in India? This is what Justice Jamal Bakshi has noted. And finally, court has directed publication of the names with all these discrepancies as to what exactly is the age difference and everything, that those discrepancies at the panchayat and ward levels, and also allowed document submission through authorized representatives. And here the Election Commission and the interveners have informed the court about the incidents of violence and alleged threat to BLOs, that is the booth level officers. Earlier also this issue was raised in the Supreme Court, and again this issue was raised by the Election Commission of India, and court has directed the state to provide adequate staff.
Sambhav, thanks for joining me.